Hi, I'm Igor, and today I will tell you about this wonderful app Anki. I use it all the time when I teach my students. I give them the homework with the flashcards, a lot of different grammar rules. This app perfectly helps you to memorize the information, rules, vocabulary on a long distance. And it's simply the flashcards. Let me tell you how it works. Let's go to vocabulary. Okay, study now, and you can see the flashcards. You can easily create the flashcard by yourself and put here whatever you want. My flashcards have gifts, pronunciation,
Старый друг.
translation, and detailed explanation when we talk about the rules. So here you should translate the sentences. For example, old friend, старый друг. Check yourself, listen to pronunciation, and what is really important, you give yourself the marks. If you don't have any mistakes, you can click easy, and this flashcard will appear in 4 days. It means that you don't have to repeat each flashcard every day. You should repeat it in correct order. If you don't know the flashcard, you should click again or good. So the flashcard will appear in 10 or 1 minute. It means that you will repeat the new flashcards at least 2 times per day, and it's really helpful for your memorization. You work like this, play the flashcards and memorize the translation and pronunciation like good. So red leg. So красная нога.
Красная нога.
Check yourself, give yourself the mark, and just play, just work on it. Okay, the second way is to create the pictures vocabulary. Let me show you what it is. For example, office deck. You see the picture, and all what you should do, just name the words what you see. I added the pronunciation so it would be more useful, and you find the red box and just name the word. So, monitor,
Монитор.
like monitor. Yeah, so again, give yourself the mark. So, for example, it was difficult, again. Yeah, and the word lamp, lampa.
Лампа.
Check yourself, listen to pronunciation, and give yourself a mark. Really simple. And, of course, my favorite is Russian grammar. You can create all the rules what you want to memorize in Russian. For example, I created a flashcard for cases. Russian cases for us like the second alphabet, and if you don't know it, it's almost impossible to keep the conversation. So, here I put detailed explanation so the student have less questions. Yeah, so rabbits, genitive case, ears, instrumental case, and so on. So cup of tea lies on the table. So cup, nominative case, tea, genitive case, table, prepositional case. So you work like this and you memorize these difficult rules. Yeah, so these 3 ways I use really often with my students, and it gives really good results if you play it every day, at least 40 minutes. You can create your own flashcards really easy and learn whatever you want. So, you could be self-learner, I will share some of my decks with you and answer the questions, or you can book the trial lesson with me and start this difficult journey together. You can find how to install AnkiApp, my website, and any kind of information in description. Follow me and don't miss the free new flashcards. Thank you for your time and пока-пока.